Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Let's discuss the questions from exercise 16.1 today. So all of you please turn to page number 236 in your textbook. Let's have a look at the first question. It says, the following is the favorite cartoon characters of 15 children. We can see the name of a few cartoon characters listed there, and there are 3 questions related to this list there. Let's read the questions. First one, 1A, arrange the names of the cartoon characters in a table using tally marks. So here you are given some raw data collected from 15 children. You have to review this data and organize this data into a table with tally marks. Now let's see how we can organize this data using tally marks. So the first step is to draw a table, and it should contain the name of the cartoon character. The next column you can put as tally marks, and the third column can be of the number of children. So the first cartoon character listed here is Doraemon. So you have to review the data given here, and you have to see the frequency of each observation given here. So what do you mean by frequency of a data item? It means the number of times that data item or that observation occurs in the given list. So find out the frequency of the cartoon character Doraemon from the list. So you can see that it occurs 6 times in the list, which means it is the favorite cartoon character of 6 children. So against the cartoon character Doraemon, you have to represent the number 6 using tally marks. So how can we do this? So here we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This represents a group of 5 in tally marks. So for representing 6, you can use this and you have to put one extra mark. So the total will be 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Now the next cartoon character Jerry. So from the list, when you observe, you can see that the name Jerry occurs 5 times, and this is how we can represent it using tally marks. 4 vertical lines, and the 5th one should be represented with a diagonal line. So that we have used here, and the number of children whose favorite character is Jerry is 5. Do the same procedure for the other 2 characters and please complete the table. Now that will be the solution to the first part of this question. Now the second part, which cartoon character is liked by the most children? So for answering this question, first you have to complete this table and find the cartoon character which has got the highest tally marks. That will correspond to the maximum number of children who likes this particular character, and that will be the solution to question B. And for question C, it says which cartoon character is liked least by the children. So find the character which has got the lowest tally marks, and that will correspond to the least number of children who likes this particular character. Now I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move on to the next question, question number 2. It says the following data gives the marks obtained by 40 students in a class. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. So here also you are given some raw data. Now the data were collected from 40 students in a class. Here there are 3 questions associated with this. The first one, how many students scored marks more than or equal to 10? How many students scored marks below 5? And how many students scored 9 marks? So the first step is to organize this given data into a table using tally marks. So here I have shown you a sample. Now the first column of this table shows the marks given in the list. So you have to list out all the marks given in the list. I've just shown you an example. Now for the tally marks column, you have to find the frequency of each mark in the given list. Count the number of times that particular mark occurs in the given list, and then you have to draw tally marks accordingly and write the corresponding number of students who got that much marks. Now once you are done with the table, you can easily answer the 3 questions given along with it. How many students scored marks more than or equal to 10? That we can easily find out the table. So now you understand that when we organize data properly, it will be easy to understand, manage and process. Now please complete the question. Let's discuss the third question. It says the following are the favorite subjects of 25 students. Organize the data using tally marks. Here also you can see some raw data given. It shows the favorite subject of 25 students. You have to review the data given to you and you have to organize it using tally marks. So here also you have to draw a table, and in the first column you can list out the names of the favorite subjects of the students. So the subjects given in the list are mathematics, biology, history, geography, economics, physics and chemistry. Now for the tally marks column, you have to find the frequency of occurring of each subject in the list. Now draw tally marks against each subject and you have to write the number of students accordingly. So I hope this question is clear to you. So your activity for the day is to complete this exercise 16.1, and there is a question related to life skills given right after this exercise. This is given in page number 237. So you please go to the question given there as well and do accordingly. Once you're done with all the answers, please do take a picture and send this to teams. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.